kerosene oil and wood also to burn it. So everything contributes to atmosphere temperature to be high. So these are the graphs which are taken from Architects Journal. This book, this is with the data. Basically, in the morning, he mentioned, Mr. Peter Farrell, he mentioned that cement is something really dangerous. He's right. And also he said about the concrete. But concrete basically creates, you can see in the table, it creates is here, 1.07 per kg when you produce it. It's not really high as compared to, this is on the top, aluminium. But these all products used in the construction product. But because we use the concrete in so much proportion, that's why it creates really much pollution. So you can see in the graph, like the bags of the cement, millions in the tons, which is gone up from 1985 to 2015. It goes dramatically up because there's a boom in the construction industry. So basically, in especially those countries like India and China. So by it contributes to overall temperature increase. So here is one more graph which will show you how the cement is basically produced. This is in a big plant, which is the chemical process. You have different metals here, like he mentioned this morning about the gypsum, clay, and limestone. Basically what happens is they put them in a chemical plant, and there will be a chemical reaction which will be able to burn the limestone. It will eject too much heat, and then when you mix it up, it's a chemical process. Like whenever the chemical process is like anything, like atomic bomb, anything, it ejects massive amount of heat waves. So they go in the temperature, which raises and damage the ozone. So in here, now the green buildings. This is a new concept. Basically, it's not really new, but still is new. The green buildings are something which are really efficient energy, affordable, and also environmentally friendly and reusable. So this is the process that basically what green technology means: reducing, refusing, recycling, renewable responsibility. These are the processes like almost everyone of us know that we need to recycle, refuse, or take a responsibility of the stuff we use to dispose of. I'm going very quick because I have less time. So now to apply the techniques in application of what we need to do as like we can do also. Like the layout of the building should be reasonable, not like disfigured building. Like I think one we have in Coventry University, maybe engineering one. So then we have the building exterior insulation. We have then clean and rich solar energy. You have ration, less use of water resources. Like when we have shower, we don't have to use the tub. We can use the shower just to reduce it. And also, like, you know, we don't need to use somehow the refrigeration or air conditioning. We can shadow the building also. We can save the energy, like put the shadows on the buildings, like you have on the cars, car parks. So then use the process of, you know, this is old stuff like mud in the buildings. Alternate ways to create a cement. That's very important. Bicarbonate, which is chemical process. To find a solution to create the cement in a different way. There are ways. It's called bicarbonate. It's a byproduct in chemistry. So now these are the recommendations, like stop deforestation, minimize fossil energy consumption, and also introducing smart houses, which is also a new concept, like installing the new smart meters and sensors. Also, like you forgot to turn on the heating, they'll turn off itself. Like I have the hybrid car, so I don't use my petrol and engine, so it goes on electricity. So I follow this technology. So also, developed countries should give some funds to the poor countries so they can use the green technology and so to contribute in the environment. So that's the conclusion, and I think we share that together, and I think we should save the earth. So now I'm available for the questions and answers. I think you don't have so many questions because I'm too quick. Stay here.